I do play in the main amateur series. I have represented the country 3 times, and yeah, apart from that, I've won Railways Invitational, which was earlier this year. Yeah, that's a couple of top 5s here and there, but finally the win came today, and we appreciate God.
The Junior Golf Foundation is one of the few organizations, one of actually 5 organizations that has recently been selected to receive a container full of golf balls, which have been donated by the DP World Tour. These will be sent to the golf clubs to support the junior golf programs.
Those who have won the best scores in each category qualify to participate in the Faldo Series European finale that will be held from November 1st to 3rd at Al Ain. This is in the UAE.